How to update your display driver in Windows 11 laptop. Okay, so I will show the perfect method. So let me start the video. So first we need to check our window updation setting. So go to the search and search for setting first. Okay, here we need to go with that window updates, and here you make sure you have enabled this option, which is get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Just enable it. Once you enable, now we need to wait some time, or you can restart your PC. Okay, now go to the your control panel. Okay, here you need to search for control panel, and go to the control panel, and here you need to make sure it is view by large icon, and here we need to select that device manager option. Just click on it. So now we are on our device manager, that window. Okay, and make sure go to the view and make sure you have select that show hidden device. Okay, now you can see this list like this. Okay, maybe like this. So you need to expand it. Under this we need to search for display adapters. Here you can see your graphics device drivers. Okay, so select that drivers and go to the update, or we can go to the properties, go to the drivers. Here you can see your drivers provider name, here the driver date and the version. You can also update from here. So here you can see the two option, which is search automatically for drivers and browse your computer. Okay, so you can select this one, first option, and my driver for it was already installed, so it is already installed, so you can close it. Okay, if you want to manually update, go to the driver provider official link like this, download the update drivers and you can install it. Okay, and if you have NVIDIA graphics or drivers here, so you can see here that NVIDIA, just same option, just select that, right click on it and go to the update drivers and select this option and just install it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.